how to report a problem on IMO. Having a problem with the app, this guide shows you how to report a problem on IMO so you can get help from the support team. To report a violation like harassment or spam, you can do it from the chat itself. Go to the chat of the user that you want to report. Tap on their name on top of the screen and go to their profile and find the report button. It's right here. To report a general problem with the app, go to your Me page and then go to Settings. Look for the Report a Problem or Help and Feedback option. This will open a form where you can describe the problem that you are having. You can also attach screenshots or videos to get help from the support team and understand the problem. Once you've filled out the form, tap on Submit button to send the report to the support team. They will review your report and get back to you with a solution as soon as possible. It's a great way to get help with your problems. You now know how to report a problem on IMO. Get ready to get help from the support team. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.